everyone, I'm sort of welcome to my channel, and today I am going to the market with my bicycle. Okay? Oh my god, what is this? There are some electronic gadgets. Let's see. This is my bicycle, as you can see, and the items are here. Oh my god, this is a box, an old MP3 player, speakers, motherboard, batteries. There are lots of things. Oh my god, this is an old 500 watt MP3 player, and today I'm going to restore it. Okay? Oh my god, this is the USB ports, and this is the power supply. Let's clean it. Okay? This is the transformer. Okay, and this is the cover, I think, cover of this MP3 player. So let's go. And finally I have reached my destination. As you can see, this is my house. Okay, please hit the like button for my sweet home. So this is an old MP3 player which is very powerful, and it has an output of 500 watt. And today in this very video I am going to restore this MP3 player and show you the bestest of this powerful MP3 player. So please watch this video till the end, because the video is very important for you. And guys, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for such kind of amazing and interesting videos. So let's start.
A few moments later. Few moments later.
So finally I have connected all the wires and the supply of this board and it's ready for testing. Now I am going to show you the difference of the amplifier board which I have restored. Okay, let's see. So finally guys, I am able to restore an old MP3 player which has a power output more than 500 watts. And now I am going to test the bass of this MP3 player. So let's connect all the wires. Now I am going to supply the power to this MP3 player. So let's start.
Bluetooth mode paired.